Zero International is a high-technology company from Canada, specializing in the design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and after-sales service of new energy products such as lithium batteries, hydrogen energy, new energy charging piles, and photovoltaic modules. In 2022, the company invested $100 million in building a solar photovoltaic frame production plant with an annual output of 15 million cells in Wisconsin, USA, and has become a high-quantity supplier and partner for Tesla, Canadian Solar, and other world-famous leaders. In 2022, an electrochemical energy storage design and production plant with an annual output of 1.5 GWh was built in Luoyang, Henan province. The plant has more than 200 employees, including an R&D team with more than 20 members from Ningbo Institute of Materials of Chinese Academy of Sciences. Under the leadership and organization of Dr. China.We, including 4 doctors and 8 masters, it is distributed in materials engineering, electrochemistry, communication technology, power system, electronic engineering, automation, structural design, and other majors and disciplines. Based on technology and research and development, we have solved the application difficulties for customers through a large number of field visits and the investigation of application scenarios and the early accumulation. We have successfully installed and commissioned more than 300 million watt-hour lithium iron phosphate energy storage projects in northwest China and completed 400 million watt-hour export. These energy storage products are combined with solar power plants, wind power plants, and power site. It perfectly realizes the functions of peak counting and value filling, frequency modulation, and peak regulation, reduces the phenomenon of wind and light abandonment, greatly improves the utilization rate of solar and wind power, saves costs, and contributes to green energy, carbon reduction, and environmental protection.